welcome to my refrigerator in Las Vegas. This is my friend Beverly. You've actually never met her before on this YouTube channel. She's always in my vlogs. She's my neighbor. So introduce yourself. What's your Insta?
Hi, I'm Beverly. I'm the orange lady.
Yes.
My Insta is Who is Beverly Maxine.
I'll put it on the screen and link it below. Ow. So we are out in Vegas right now. I wanted to do a fun little get lit with us, get ready with us type of video. So you're gonna see this hair and this makeup. If you want a full-blown video on how to do a ponytail extension with weft extensions, check out the links down below, and also how I colored this hair because it was all black before. Then,
was it really?
Yeah, I dyed this. I bleached it.
Oh Jesus!
And lifted it a
oh,
couple
it's so
levels.
good.
Thank you. She also colored her own hair, so I'm trying to convince her to get her own YouTube channel. So comment down below to get Bev YouTube.
If I should, I don't know. I'm really nervous about it.
I'll help her out with it, of course. I'm like all about that. But we are currently in Las Vegas, and I wanted to do an intro. I'm a little lit right now. Obviously, this is the end of the night. Well, like
it's
the
Vegas.
end of the video.
It's Vegas.
Yes, we're going out to go see DJ Snake.
Yes.
So we got super glam, and the outfit I decided on was this faux fur jacket from Misguided. You guys saw it in my haul first. Hopefully you picked it up on sale with a coupon code because it's my favorite thing. It's so warm and cozy, but I might do it like off the shoulder. I don't know. I'm not wearing a bag out tonight. And then the actual two-piece set is from Hot Miami Styles, which you also saw here on a vlog. So links below. Super cute. Do you want to share your outfit of the night?
I'm sure.
In our fridge. She's a little shorter than me, so let's bring it down.
I'm real short, okay?
Yes.
But I'm wearing pants from Pretty Little Thing. See, she's Misguided. I'm Pretty Little Thing.
But they're the same company.
They're the same company, but I just love Pretty Little Thing. It just gets to me super quick. My top is from Kukai, which is an Australian store. Which, if you want a bodysuit or a shirt that kind of keeps together, you should shop them. You should shop them bodysuits. My jacket is from, I think it's Urban. I don't remember.
It has pockets.
It has pockets.
Pockets for the club. You don't need a bag.
But so do my pants. So I hate purses. I just don't like carrying purses.
Yeah.
It's just, I want to be free.
Especially when you're trying to dance and you have a drink in one hand, it's too much.
Yeah, I just like to be free. Shoes are also Pretty Little Thing.
Love those.
Yeah.
Little white booties. They're snake print, right?
There are snake print. Yeah,
Oh,
you can't really
snake
see
print.
them unless you're in person.
Sorry, wait, let me bring it back up.
So short.
Okay. We're about to head out to go see DJ Snake at XS. We live for the Encore Hotel and like all the clubs at the Encore. We get questions all the time in the comments. Where do we like to party in Vegas? We like to go to the Encore and the Wynn. But we just like that vibe, that type of music.
Yeah.
And the artist lineup is pretty lit. Anyways, you guys will see our Get Ready With Me, Get Lit With Us. So links below to all the products that are used. Until next time, we will see you in our next video. Subscribe.
Girl power.
I was born under the sun, so why am I so afraid of you? Made peace with all I've done, but that just wasn't enough. Ooh. Change direction once or twice, yes I...
That's what broke my neck.
Hi.
Bev, look at her hair, guys. She just finished curling it. You have to show them what tool you use.
Oh my god, I
I've never
will.
seen
It's
that.
bomb. Amazon, hold on.
I'm just trying to smooth out my kitchen. It's a hot mess back here. But Vegas, we out here?
Guys, this this curler, it's bomb.
Where'd you get it?
On Amazon. I just I searched chopstick curler, and it's by Lee Stafford. Is that right? I don't know if you can see it.
It's like kind of square shaped.
It's like, yeah, like it's like actually like a square, so it gives it more like of that crink, so when you like comb it out, it like makes your hair even poofier. I love it.
See, aren't you glad you did that today?
Yeah.
Instead of straight.
I know.
We're both like, okay, she has extensions into. Where'd you get your clip-ins from?
The hair shop. I went to the hair shop because I don't know anything about hair, so I figured that's the closest place to me.
Love that.
Yeah. And I had to dye it myself.
Why don't you make a YouTube YouTube channel. They keep asking me, Bev needs a YouTube, does she have YouTube? And I'm like, she should. She's so good at skincare. You could have so many videos about skincare because you know I need the advice.
I know, it's just, I'm just like not good at recording or like taking photos of myself.
That's why I'm here to encourage
she
her
literally, if there's a post up of myself, it's because she's made me do it.
Yes.
Because I'm awkward. I'm a robot, I promise.
You're not. All you have to do is take like 20 pictures and at least out of those 20 you'll get a good one. That's me every day.
I have to have like 6 beers for me to try to get like some type of flow. Oh. And even then I'm like a robot.
I'm trying to figure out. I can't see the back of my head. Does it look like you can see the tracks?
No, not at all. No.
Because if you feel it, you feel
I can feel it.
Yeah.
But I don't see it.
Okay, good. But I have a mini facelift, so I'm feeling pretty great.
That's nice.
About that. And I made a playlist with Beyonce, Cardi B, Ariana, and just like all girl stuff.
Yes.
So
girl empowerment. Because we gotta, you know, sometimes you gotta feel like that bad bee.
I wanna go home alone, home alone. It tasted like gold. Now that I'm older, wish somebody told you I don't wanna be friends no more. I don't wanna do the damn thing. Why we always gotta fight so much?
I finally finished my eyeliner. So now I can drink now and feel confident that I won't mess up the rest of my makeup. Alright fam, just to get lit, get ready with me. So it's a little special. I had to do it for Vegas. I mean, my wings are as good as they're gonna get. I'm gonna do lashes. I'm gonna show you guys the ones that I brought. I bought some icons. That's all I wear. I have a discount code if you guys want to get these. They're really good quality and they're like dramatic lashes. I've been wearing them for almost a whole year, like the brand itself. So the style I'm gonna wear tonight is called Drunken Love.
Yes.
Little Beyonce reference. And these literally last me at least a month. I just pick off the glue and I keep them in the case. They're really full and dark. And then if something happened to these, I just brought these ones with me, and this is the Jealous style, which is my #1 favorite. I ordered 4 pairs of them to stock up. So I'll leave a link down below to all my favorite makeup products. But that's what I'm rocking with. I use the Tootie palette from Too Faced. Bev turned me on to the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. So I'm gonna have a dewy face tonight for the club. I feel like we're not gonna be out so long. So having like a long lasting makeup spray, setting spray isn't something I'm concerned about. Like we don't leave for the club until like what, midnight? So, you know, like it's not like I have to be ready at 9 o'clock, go to the club, sweat, you know what I'm saying? So I like that dewy finish, and that's what I've been wearing a lot recently. Put this music back on. Do you have any song requests?
Not really.
I think we're getting to the end of our girl playlist.
Oh, Jesus.
So I gotta turn this party up. This lighting looks... I think I'm drunk.
What? You only have 2.
I think I don't remember how many I've had. Thank you. Thank you. Sorry, pause. Okay, I'm definitely drunk right now because I can't even put my eyelashes on. Shoot, I should have waited. Jesus. What did you use for liner?
Sephora collection, like the jumbo sticks.
Ooh.
Like a jumbo shadow. So I used that so I could smoke it out, and then to get like a good like deep base, I used a Fenty eyeliner.
Ooh.
That Fenty liner is bomb. I love it.
I'm gonna try more Fenty stuff.
And then I used the Marc Jacobs, like the single shadows, looking like this gray. I don't know what it's called, but it's like this like gray one.
I love Margigo's makeup. It's
it's bomb.
so good.
It's so good.
I haven't tried their shadows though.
Oh my god, their shadows are so bomb.
Yeah?
Yes. I have a few palettes. They're so good. And they're singles because they're like big pans. They're really good. Oh Jesus, who's dying out there?
They're coming to get me because I'm too lit. Am I gonna make it to the club?
Bitch, you better.
I guess I'm bad and bougie and extra tonight. I guess the sporty vibe didn't really work out, but this is what I'm wearing. And I'm not mad because I get to wear a jacket and be cozy and warm, regardless if I don't get to wear a bag, like a purse or something. I guess I don't really need anything aside from my ID and my room key. That's it. I put it inside of my, I'll show you. Inside of my phone case, like on the inside is my ID and then my hotel room key. I don't need a credit card or a bank card or anything like that. So, sorry, I was using the light from this, but you know how that goes. Sorry. Anyways, we'll see you at the club.
Go.